If you are looking for motivation, then this channel is definitely not what you are looking for. Because here, we don't do motivation. We deal with the reality of things, how things actually are. You see, you are not stuck because life is hard. No. You are stuck because of one of these main reasons. You are constantly avoiding the truth, avoiding discipline, or simply avoiding the need to become. And let me tell you something. No one, and I say no one, is coming to fix that for you. Not your friends, not your family, not any random video on YouTube or on social media. One of the main reasons why this channel was created to build individuals that will control their minds, their habits, and their life. No shortcuts, no excuses, no illusions. If you are looking for comfort, this is not the right place for you. But if you are looking to become dangerously focused and disciplined, subscribe and let's start fixing your life.